Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a really lovely 1935 Ford Model 48 with the Flathead V8. Give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible automobiles and trucks, everything from old Cadillacs to all the way up to the muscle cars. Take a look at our stuff on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. And you'll want to watch the entire video from start to finish here because we're going to do a nice walk around. We're doing a nice engine start. Beautiful running flathead, I'll tell you, really good. And it'll give you more of the details of the car. So stay tuned, watch all that stuff. But for right now, we're going to give you some of the highlights that I'm aware of. 1935 Ford Model 48 two-door sedan. Beautifully restored car. I mean, this one was restored, and it is, of course, black, which was many of the cars from this era were black. Beautiful paint, and look at the chrome on this guy. That grille is spectacular. Really nice. It's got the dual horns, the bumper guardettes, and the side mirrors. So actually it's really nice to have both mirrors, believe it or not, especially on the driver's side. Everything was optional back in these days. You had to order things. Just when you check stuff off, you had to order everything. So that is one of the little features that we always have to remember. But it is an original flathead. Take a look at the originality of the motor, the right air cleaner, looks really nice, and it was all rebuilt, so it just runs. Listen, like I say, when you do the walk around and the startup, it really runs very well. Then we go take a look at the inside. I'm always a fan of the old shifters that come up. Beautiful curved shifter on the floor, 3-speed manual transmission. They also have the deal where this is your air conditioning. You have a vent that you can use, which gives you some air, or you can actually tilt the windshield. I mean, that's their air conditioning in 1935. I guess it was better than not. Also, the interior is done in correct type fabrics that it would have come with in 1935. So, you know, you take a look at the inside. Headliner is beautiful. It does have both the two visors. It does have a windshield washer or windshield wiper as well. Beautiful steering wheel. The banjo steering wheel is in place. This one does have the spare tire in the back, the round spare tire with the cover. That's, you know, there's not much of a trunk area in these cars, but, you know, that was just what they were doing. In 1935, this was a car that was a family car. You could conceivably have 5 people ride in it very easily. But look at the whitewall tires, of course, would be correct for vintage. The V8 hubcaps, of course, and the wires. And, you know, that color, everyone says, that is actually correct. That was one of the color options you could have on the wheels. So it just gives you, it kind of stands out, I guess is what I would like to say. You can find all our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. You know, give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. I'm sure you'll find all the information on this car and many other ones that we currently have in stock and what we've had in the past as well. So that will be something you can do in your spare time. Like I said, it's one of those cars, beautiful, all steel, still has a soft top in 1935, which is also very nice. This is one of those cars that if you're just looking for that V8 Ford, you want something out of the 30s that you can, you know, conceivably have a few people ride with you, this is a great example. Well, you can come on down too. We'd love to have you come to Ellingson Motorcars. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and we're even open on Saturdays from 10 until 4. Come on down, take a look. The nice thing about this, it's all Henry Ford metal. Man, that's metal. I mean, that's a fender and a half right there. So come on down, take a look. We'd love to show you around to look at this and many of our other beautiful cars. So thank you kindly. We'll see you next time.